Do you own a PAB and want to register for the e-bike theory test but don't know how to? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Here are the step-by-step procedures for you to clinch that e-bike rider certification. Before we start, here are some tips for you. 1. Ensure you have third-party pop-ups enabled. The payment process will fail if this is not done. An up-to-date browser version. Cookies enabled. 2. In all steps, click Save button on the left to enable Next button on the right. 3. Watch for the Submit buttons. They are on the left instead of the right, which can get a little confusing. 4. Get your debit card or credit card as well as your mobile devices ready. Now, let's get started. Key in the following website. Then, select your preferred language. Click First Registration. Read the instructions given and click I have read the instructions and want to proceed for registration. Click Individual if you are registering on your own or Company Sponsored if your company is paying for your test. For registration, you can choose to register with or without SingPass. At the end of filling up your personal details, select where you get to know about this course and click Proceed on the left side. Select your preferred payment type, either credit debit card or eNETS debit, also known as Internet Banking. For credit debit card payment type, key in your card details accordingly. Launch your mobile banking app on your mobile devices and tap Digital Token followed by Approve. For eNETS debit or Internet Banking, select your bank and key in the transaction description here to be printed on the statement. You can name it anything you want. Key in your iBanking user ID followed by your iBanking PIN number. Click Submit on the left. Launch your mobile banking app on your mobile devices and tap Digital Token followed by Approve. Afterward, you should be seeing this page that indicates your payment is successful. Once you have completed the payment, you should be awaiting 2 separate emails within the next 1 to 3 days. One indicating your registration confirmation and another with the theory test link. Open the email that indicates Power Assisted Bicycle Online Theory Test. Next, click here to log in using SingPass to log into SPPay's website. Once you have logged in, click My Tasks and then Modules under the E-Learning for Power Assisted Bicycles section to complete your e-learning. By the end of your e-learning, remember to click Mark as completed. We strongly encourage you to go through the e-learning because it will be helpful for your test. Next, you can click Tasks again and then Modules to proceed on with your theory test. It is a 40-minute test and you can refer to the handbook for references. Once you are done, click View Results/Print Certificate on the right-hand side and you may download your e-certificate by clicking here. Remember to mark task as completed. And you are done. Congratulations for completing the test. You are now a legal e-bike rider. We hope we managed to assist many of you in completing your test. Don't forget to like and follow all of our Facebook pages for more information on mobility devices in Singapore, installment plans, and many more. Goodbye!